Hi grade ones, we are doing 3D shapes. 3 shapes left to learn, then we've got it. Okay, so the first one is a pyramid. Okay, so I have this decorative pyramid in my house. So a pyramid it's kind of hard because it's see-through, but it has a triangle face. Okay, another one, and another one. So 4 triangle faces, and then the important part is it has a square or a rectangle on the bottom. Okay, so to draw it, kind of tricky. I'm always hard to draw this. Okay, so I start with my square. That looks a little bit more like a rectangle, but then you're gonna take each corner up to a point. So I like to draw a point so I know where I'm going. So I take the bottom corner up, and you need to make sure that it is making a triangle. See how you have that triangle there? Then you're making this one up in a triangle, and this one. So that is your pyramid. Then we have a triangular prism. So that is the same as a pyramid, except for instead of having a square at the bottom as a face, it's just all triangles. Okay, and I tried to find a triangular prism in my house grade ones, and I could not. So I'm sorry. I'm just gonna show you how to draw it. So you start with a triangle, which has our 3 sides. Okay. Oh, sorry, that glare is not very nice. And then same, I draw a dot. I'm going to draw it out here, and that's going to be the tip of it. So first corner up to the dot, again, and again. And that looks like a square with an X in it, honestly, but it is a triangular prism. Maybe if I tilt it that way, does it look a little bit more triangle-y? So I wonder if you can find one around your house, but it has triangles on all sides. Okay, all sides are triangles. So maybe you have, I don't know, a Lego, a toy, something that's triangular prism. And then the last one is a cone. This is easy for me to remember, hopefully you too, because it's exactly like an ice cream cone, which is very yummy. So a cone is a triangle shape, but it has a circle or an oval on the bottom. So to draw it, you would draw an oval, and then we come up to it and up to it. The other thing that I always think of is, you know, like the party hats that you wear that are like a cone and they have that elastic strap. That's a cone shape. So again, I couldn't find any ice cream cones at my house because I ate them all. But I did think of an ice cream cone, so I was like, that's exactly what it could be. So today you're looking for these shapes. You're looking for a pyramid, and I found my decoration pyramid. So remember, a pyramid has that square base and then triangles. Triangular prism is triangles on all sides, and a cone is a circle with a triangle. Okay, so you're just on the hunt for those 3 shapes, and then I'll also have a little activity with 3D shapes on Seesaw. Now, like I said, grade ones, in the classroom we spend way more time on this, because these are all kind of big words, and I know after I start to learn them all, it gets confusing. You're like, oh, what's a rectangular prism? What's a triangular prism? And blah, 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 blah. This is just a little taste so you can get to know the shapes a little bit. But if on Seesaw you have a hard time, or you have a hard time finding something like a triangular prism, that's okay. It is okay. Alrighty? I'd love to see what you come up with, so send me pictures if you find any of these shapes in your house. If you find ice cream cones, don't eat them all, because then you won't be able to take a picture of them to show me. I hope you have fun.